Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can do the person removal trend in CapCut. So, if you want to make someone disappear like magic in your videos, the person removal trend in CapCut is going viral, and here I'm going to show you exactly how you can do it step by step. So first, you can go to CapCut. And now you can just click on new project and choose the video that you want to edit. Make sure that your video has two person or more in on it. So here, okay, I'm going to just choose this existing project. Okay, so once you add the videos in here, you can just click on the video and swipe through the toolbar until you find the options AI remove. This one's right here. So now what you need to do is just brush over the area or the character that you want to remove. Let's just wait until the features load. Okay, here you can do quick brush, or you can also click on brush to select. For example, I'm going to just using quick brush, and here I'm going to make this character disappear. As you guys can see, CapCut will outline the object or the character that I want to remove. Here you need to have a CapCut Pro to use this feature, but since this is a new feature, so you got one free code for free use. You can see I have one free use to left, so I need to join the CapCut Pro to use it later in the future. So after that, after you click on the person, you can just tap on remove and let CapCut do its magic. You can see the AI removing is happening now. You can just wait until it's finished, until the person or the character is vanished from the video. So the wait time, I think it's depend on your video duration. So my video duration only in 1 or 2 seconds, so it might be quick, but if you have longer video, then you need to wait for a longer time. Okay, now the AI removal has been applied, and when I play the video, as you guys can see, the person is now disappear. If you wanted to make a dynamic animation, you can also use keyframes to make the person appear and disappear in the photo. And so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.